Imagine asking three of the world's smartest AI assistants the exact same question. One writes like a professional author, one searches the web and gives you the latest information, and one thinks so deeply that it solves problems most people can't. So, if you could choose only one AI assistant in 2026, which one should you use? Is ChatGPT still the king of AI? Has Google Gemini finally taken the crown? Or has Claude quietly become the smartest AI on the planet? The answer isn't as simple as you might think. In fact, after comparing these three AI giants across writing, coding, reasoning, creativity, research, speed, image generation, productivity, pricing, and real-world use cases, one clear winner surprised almost everyone. And before the end of this video, I'll reveal which AI I would recommend for students, programmers, content creators, business owners, and everyday users. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence has changed more in the last few years than many technologies changed in decades. Today, millions of people rely on AI every day to write emails, create presentations, generate images, build websites, solve homework problems, analyze documents, and even create entire businesses. But not all AI assistants are built for the same purpose. The three biggest names dominating the AI world today are ChatGPT from OpenAI, Gemini from Google, and Claude from Anthropic. Each of them claims to be smarter, faster, and more capable than the others. But which one actually delivers? Let's compare them category by category. Round 1. Ease of use. When you first open ChatGPT, everything feels clean and simple. The interface is easy to understand, conversations feel natural, and almost anyone can start using it within minutes. Gemini has improved a lot over the past year. Since it's connected with Google services, users who already use Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, or Android devices will immediately feel comfortable. Claude takes a slightly different approach. Its interface is minimal and distraction-free. Instead of overwhelming users with features, it focuses on long conversations and detailed thinking. If you're a beginner, ChatGPT is probably the easiest to start with. Round 2. Writing quality. Writing is one of the biggest reasons people use AI. Whether you're creating YouTube scripts, blog posts, essays, emails, business reports, or marketing content, writing quality matters. ChatGPT consistently produces natural, engaging, and well-structured content. It understands tone exceptionally well and can switch between professional, casual, persuasive, or creative writing with ease. Gemini is also an excellent writer. It performs especially well when working with Google Workspace documents and collaborative tasks. However, its writing can occasionally sound more formal than conversational. Claude is where things get interesting. Many professionals consider Claude one of the best AI writers available today. Its responses are thoughtful, detailed, and incredibly human-like. It often explains ideas with more nuance and clarity than other models. If your primary goal is long-form writing, reports, books, or research papers, Claude has a slight advantage. Round 3.
Coding.
Developers use AI every day. Whether it's writing Python, JavaScript, C, HTML, CSS, SQL, or debugging complex software, coding performance is critical. ChatGPT remains one of the strongest coding assistants available. It explains code clearly, fixes bugs efficiently, and helps beginners understand programming concepts step by step. Gemini has become much stronger, especially for developers already working inside Google's ecosystem. It handles many programming tasks very well and integrates smoothly with Google's developer tools. Claude is also an outstanding programmer. Many developers appreciate how carefully it reasons through difficult coding problems before producing an answer. In coding, the gap between these three is smaller than ever. Round 4. Research and accuracy. This category has become one of the most competitive. Gemini benefits from Google's enormous search ecosystem, making it particularly useful for finding recent information and summarizing current events. ChatGPT has significantly improved its research capabilities and can provide detailed answers, especially when using web-enabled features. Claude shines when analyzing large documents, comparing information, and explaining complex topics with careful reasoning. If your work involves reading long reports or understanding complicated material, Claude is incredibly impressive. If you constantly need up-to-date information from the web, Gemini has an advantage. Round 5. Reasoning. This is where modern AI truly separates itself. Reasoning means solving complex problems instead of simply repeating information. ChatGPT performs exceptionally well across logic, mathematics, planning, and structured thinking. Claude is famous for carefully thinking through difficult questions before answering. It often provides detailed explanations that feel remarkably logical. Gemini has improved dramatically and now performs well in advanced reasoning tasks too. The competition here is incredibly close, and all three are among the world's strongest AI reasoning systems. Round 6. Creativity. Can AI actually be creative? Absolutely. ChatGPT excels at storytelling, brainstorming, YouTube scripts, marketing campaigns, and creative writing. Claude creates thoughtful stories with rich detail and emotional depth. Gemini generates creative ideas effectively while also connecting information from Google's ecosystem. If you're a YouTuber, writer, or content creator, ChatGPT often feels the most flexible and imaginative. Round 7. Productivity. Today's AI assistants aren't just chatbots anymore. They're becoming complete productivity platforms. ChatGPT can help write documents, generate images, analyze files, brainstorm ideas, create presentations, and assist with coding. Gemini integrates deeply with Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Drive, and other Google services, making it an excellent productivity companion. Claude focuses on analyzing long documents, reports, contracts, research papers, and complex conversations. Each platform serves different workflows. Round 8. Image understanding. Modern AI isn't limited to text. All three assistants can understand images, screenshots, diagrams, handwritten notes, and photographs. ChatGPT performs exceptionally well when explaining screenshots, diagrams, charts, and uploaded files. Gemini benefits from Google's experience with visual AI and performs strongly across many visual tasks. Claude has also become highly capable at understanding visual information and extracting useful insights. For most everyday users, all three perform impressively.
Pricing.
All three services offer free access with optional premium subscriptions that unlock higher usage limits and advanced capabilities. The exact pricing and included features can change over time, so it's worth checking each platform's official plans before subscribing. The good news is that you can try each one before deciding which fits your workflow best. So, which AI wins? Now comes the question everyone has been waiting for. If you're looking for the most balanced AI assistant overall, ChatGPT continues to stand out because it combines into one polished experience. If you're deeply invested in Google's ecosystem and rely on Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, and Search every day, Gemini is an outstanding choice that integrates naturally with those tools. If your work involves long documents, detailed analysis, research, or professional writing, Claude is one of the strongest AI assistants available. Here's the reality. There isn't one perfect AI for everyone. The best AI depends on what you actually do. Students may value clear explanations. Developers may prioritize coding assistance. Writers may focus on long-form content. Researchers may need document analysis. Business professionals may care most about productivity. Instead of asking, which AI is the smartest? The better question is, which AI makes me more productive? And in 2026, that's the biggest victory of all. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic technology. It's becoming an everyday tool that helps millions of people learn faster, work smarter, and create things that once required entire teams. The competition between ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude isn't slowing down. Every new update pushes the others to improve, and that's great news for everyone using AI. So don't be afraid to experiment. Try all three. See which one matches your workflow, because the best AI isn't necessarily the one with the biggest headlines. It's the one that helps you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more videos covering the latest AI tools, AI news, tutorials, and honest comparisons, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comments which AI assistant you think deserves the #1 spot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.